Hello, my name is Dale Richards. I'm a Vistage speaker, a former Vistage chair. I'm here in this beautiful setting in Maryland with Dominic, who's our host today. Tell us a little bit about you.
My name is Dominic Di Pietro. I own ROI Construction, roofing and solar and exterior business in Maryland and DC. Give us a call, 1-833-ROOF-ROI. And I had the privilege to listen to Dale speak today, and he absolutely blew my mind. And I can't wait to give him a call and get my whole team to become customers of his. He just did a incredible job, brought a lot of value. I go through a lot of Vistage speakers. I catch flies in my mouth every once in a while. But this guy had me on the edge of the seat and really talked about some great stuff that I'm going to implement in my business.
Name me one or two things that you are going to do.
Well, I was getting that. Contribution margin is one of them. Another one, he gave us this great strategy about figuring out your break-even number and implementing things by using that where once you hit your break-even number, giving discounts to retain or obtain new clients.
Little sales strategy.
Different things like that. So as a ROI construction guy, if you want to get your return on investment, I highly recommend you give Dale a call and check out his book.
That was great. Now, I want to tell you a little bit about Vistage, okay? Vistage has 40,000 members across the world. It's the #1 mentor for executives. I was a chair for 8 years. My members had 5 to 10x in the 8 years they were with me in the value of their companies. We sold 5 of them at a huge profit. Find a Vistage group. It's the most important decision you will make in your career is to join a Vistage group. You agree with me?
Couldn't agree more, Dale.
Thanks for being with us. We're here at the beautiful lakeside in Maryland. Awesome time. Thank you.
Just one of my many estates.
That's good.